singing a Tamil devotional song today. There are a couple of unique things I want to point out about this song. The first thing is it was written by none other than C. Rajagopalachari, Rajaji. He was a politician, statesman, very well known. He was the last Governor General of India. His one and only one song that he wrote. And the second thing is, in most devotional songs, we go asking God for something and we plead for something, that's what we are always asking. But in this song, it's saying that I have no regrets. That's what this song is. Kurai Ondrum Illai literally means I have no regrets at all. So while praising God, it is also keep on saying that I have no regrets. So how wonderful would it be if we can say that to ourselves every single day, I have no regrets. That's what we want in life, right? So this song was immortalized by M.S. Subbulakshmi, who is the queen of Carnatic music. And it was composed by Kadanallayur Venkataraman. Relatively unknown, but he worked a lot with M.S. Amma. And this is a Carnatic music Ragamalika. It was set in 3 ragams. It transitions beautifully from Shivaranjani to Kapi to Sindhu Bhairavi. So lovely. Hope you all enjoy it. Some songs transcend languages, and I feel this is one of those songs. Yeah.
Beautiful. Great.
Hello, check. Thank you.
Mala, that was wonderful and beautiful.